girl, welcome back to the channel. Xrsbeauty reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and wanted me to do a review on their new lace frontal wig. Now this lace frontal wig is supposed to be like put on and go type of lace frontal wig, where this company has done everything for you as far as bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline, using a lace that is going to melt into your skin without having to do a whole lot. So I want to talk about it, okay? So first off, let me show you guys the difference between the laces. Number one, now with this lace, it is supposed to be an upgrade from your traditional regular brown lace as well as your regular transparent lace. This lace on this wig is supposed to be like top tier, like the top of the line type of lace. So first off, let me just say this wig is bomb as hell. I knew it was going to be bomb as soon as I took it out the package, because when I looked at that hairline, honey, and I said, oh baby, I ain't gonna have to do nothing to this wig beyond like the whole styling part. Girl, when I tell you, I could tell this was going to be a winner just by looking at how nicely plucked the hairline on this wig was. As far as bleaching the knots, I didn't have to do any of that. Literally the only thing I did to this wig was wash it, because as soon as I took the wig out the package, I instantly knew the hairline was already pre-plucked, and it wasn't to the point where I needed to go in and pluck anymore. It was perfect to my liking. It was perfect to the point where I get scalp effect without even having to go in and pluck. I did not have to go in and bleach the knots because the knots were already bleached, and I could see that right out of the package. I did not see any black or dark knots on this wig whatsoever. And honestly, when I got ready to film, I said, let me just make sure everything is as good as I'm thinking it is prior to me washing the hair or whatever. And when I got to parting the hair, I was like, okay, like this wig is gonna be busting. So you are looking for a wig that is going to serve, honey, and you don't need any skills, or you don't want to put in the time to make your wig look natural, girl, this is the wig for you. Really, I didn't even have to do baby hairs. The hairline was plucked so nicely, and the dips and the curves in the hairline was so nice. It gave off a natural look without me even doing baby hairs. But of course, I like to do baby hairs because I don't do the ball stocking cap method on my hair. I don't glue my wigs down. So doing baby hairs help hide the stocking cap band on my wigs. I'm telling you, this wig is going to be definitely the wig that you grab the most because it's just that nice. It's the pre-plucked hairline. I definitely appreciate the ready to go lace. Like seriously, it saves so much time, and I don't even have to worry about being self-conscious about my lace. Like, does my lace look good? Does it look too fake? Does it look wiggy? I don't even have to worry about that because it looks good right out the pack. Now the only thing is, I do wish that this hair was a little bit fuller, just a little bit, but you know what, I will take the pre-plucked and the bleach knots hairline any day over thicker, fuller hair, because it just means less work that I have to do. Okay, so y'all, this lace is so invisible, so undetectable, so unclockable. Like, girl, this is definitely a wig that you need. Yes, the lace makes the wig. But overall, this is a really good wig. I would highly suggest this wig. And to make sure you get this exact wig that you guys are seeing in this video, please make sure you click on the direct link below in the description bar to ensure you get exactly what you are seeing in this video. And I promise y'all, this wig will not disappoint. It will definitely give what it's supposed to give. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.